Hello people, welcome back. Watch me how I cooked this spaghetti recipe. The end part you will see what I use in garnishing them. Some olive oil. I will add in my vegetables, spring onion, shallot, onion, bolognese. Italians call it mortadella. So now I put my powdered onion, ginger, garlic, white pepper, oregano, parsley, basil, and I added some of my frozen vegetable, carrots, courgettes, broccoli. I'll give it a good stir and I'll cover and steam it just for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I added my pre-cooked spag that I cooked for 6 minutes, and the cook texture of my spaghetti is 6 to 9 minutes. So I gave it a quick stir and I added just a slime of the water that I use in cooking the spaghetti. So I cover it and I cook it for 1 minute. So guys, all my returnees, thank you for always returning. Thank you. The good Lord bless you. I see the comment, the like, the share. Stay put and keep on encouraging me, keep coming, and I appreciate your immense support. If you are new to the channel, feel free to follow me on your notification bell so that when we upload new videos you will be notified. Follow for amazing video. If you like what I do, subscribe, click, turn on your post notification and receive more of this. If you are here and you want to be a part of the family, you can also follow me on all other platforms: YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest. The same name, guys, Lady B Variety. So I garnished it with some spring onion and I gave it another quick stir. So the final touch, guys, is I will add in some flake of pepper. So I'll give it another good stir and stir, and I will leave it, and after that I will just cover and I like to steam on a low heat for 2 minutes. If you like what you see, you can also check my channel out for other health videos, cooking videos, family lifestyle. I have them, snack videos, how to slice vegetables. I have all of them in here. So guys, at this junction it is cooked and I am serving it, guys. So at the end part, I used some oregano to garnish it, some parsley, some basil, and some cheese. Guys, what is spaghetti without cheese and without a slime of olive oil? Enjoy, guys. Thank you for being here. See you in my next one. May the good Lord bless you. Enjoy. Bye until I come your way.